2026 Hyundai Bayon is more than a cosmetic update. It's a breathtaking reimagining of the compact crossover genre. An improved mild hybrid powertrain, a beautiful interior, and a redesigned front fascia come together to make this Hyundai a practical and fashionable urban navigator. You can have an economical and aesthetically pleasing car, and the new Bayon proves it. The 2026 Hyundai Bayon is even more impressive due to these 5 updates. 1. Modern, audacious style. A more daring, futuristic appearance will replace the 2026 Hyundai Bayon's more subdued design. The new seamless horizon LED headlights, a slim light strip that runs the length of the vehicle and imparts a unique, futuristic vibe, take up most of the front fascia. Along with this, the front bumper and grille have been updated, with a new pattern to give it a more strong and rough look. A real showstopper on city streets. The whole vehicle boasts a more contemporary look with sharp contours and a dynamic, contoured back end. 2. Mild hybrid powertrain renewed for efficiency and performance. The 2026 Bayon gets a reworked powertrain that's more efficient and produces more power. Despite the upgraded 48V mild hybrid system, the potent 1.0-liter turbocharged GDI gasoline engine is still there. As the engine accelerates, this technology helps by delivering a sudden burst of power that gets rid of turbo lag. Additionally, it enables the engine to turn off when braking or coasting, ensuring that drivers still get the satisfyingly rapid throttle response they desire. 3. A cockpit that is entirely digital and networked. The 2026 Bayon has an all-new, driver-centric cabin that prioritizes technology. The new digital display, which features a 10.25-inch multimedia touchscreen and a larger, more advanced digital instrument cluster, is the showpiece. The most recent software from Hyundai powers the system, and it's quicker, easier to use, and it works with wireless systems like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. New LED, interior illumination, and customizable ambient lighting in a rainbow of colors are also available. 4. Security layers for the future. Beyond what is often seen in Hyundai vehicles, the new Bayon comes with an advanced set of safety technologies called Hyundai Smart Sense. The 2026 model year brings the highly advanced, navigation-based Smart Cruise Control, NSCC, a feature that automatically adjusts speed on toll highways and expressways, using data from the vehicle's navigation system. Enhanced blind spot, collision avoidance assist, BCA, and a brand new e-call technology that may automatically contact emergency personnel in case of an accident are also available on this model. 5. Exceptional urban appeal and unmatched practicality. The remarkable thing about the new Bayon is that it manages to include all the technological improvements without compromising its renowned utility. Even though it's small, the Bayon has a trunk that can hold 401 liters of cargo and plenty of room for front and back passengers. With its many intelligent features, including as wireless charging, 2 USB-C connections, one at the front and one at the back, for simultaneous charging and over-the-air OTA software updates. This automobile is perfect for city dwellers because it is both practical and easy to operate.